Cosmos crypto is absolutely exploding. Let's talk about where this coin could be headed very soon and whether or not it's too late to get in. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my Cosmo coin analysis. But other than that, guys, let's get right into this video. Alrighty, guys, here we are with Cosmos, or Atom, whatever you would guys like to refer to it as. We are currently sitting at about $38.84 per coin, up just about 14% in just the last 24 hours here. Here we are on Coinbase. As you can see here, it has been running very nicely here around the kind of $32, $34 level here on September 17th was when the run started. Today is the 18th. It is a Saturday, so of course we are running a little bit higher now into the weekend, especially because, of course, as we all know, and if you're not familiar with this is something that you really need to consider. Altcoins tend to always run on the weekends. This is because the stock markets are closed, and more than likely that is where most of the money is circulating during the week, right? So most of the money goes into the stock markets during the week, and then on the weekends, a lot of people pull money out of the stock market, or they're just not putting much money into the stock market and they're putting it more into crypto, into other markets that are currently open and active, which is of course cryptocurrency, because it's always active, right? And that's why Cosmos is more than likely running today. There's a few other reasons why. There was recently an interview with one of the project leads that maybe we will talk about this video if we have enough time. It's not really a big show-stopping interview, and I don't want to spend too much time on it. It's one of the main reasons why it's running right now. He said a lot of good things in it, and maybe we'll talk about it. But what I really want to talk about here, because I see a lot of these comments, right, in our comment section, is whether or not it's too late, too early to buy this crypto. The people want to know whether or not they can still get in and make profit. And I found this article that I think maybe gives a little bit of insight into that question and maybe answers a few kind of just discrepancies and different things like that, and just kind of gives everything a very clear view about what's happening and what, whether or not you should buy this crypto. So here we are. Should you or anyone buy Cosmos, or Atom as it's referred to? Cosmos is the blockchain that helps cryptocurrencies talk to each other. As cryptocurrencies become even more mainstream, it's easy to forget how many challenges the industry still needs to solve. For example, we talk a lot about scalability and sustainability, as several coins have made huge strides in these areas. We talk less about wow, I'm not gonna pronounce that word right, so I'm just gonna skip it altogether. Sorry, guys. Which is what allows blockchain networks, you can roast me in the comments for that, I don't care, blockchain networks to talk to one another. Right now, many blockchains operate in isolation, and they need to work together if the industry is to reach its full potential. In oversimplifying a little, but it would be like having different cell phone operators that couldn't call each other. Cosmos, or Atom, is one of the blockchains that wants to solve this issue. Dubbed the Internet of Blockchains, its technology is widely used by developers. So basically what that just kind of laid out is the main function, or the main, I guess, goal of the project that is behind the Cosmos crypto or token. And that's basically obviously to push forward an Internet of Blockchains and help cryptocurrencies, or just in general, be able to interact or commune with each other and work more effectively and more efficiently. Here's some Cosmos basics that I think kind of outline a nice little simple graph, or not graph, but just a little outline of what Cosmos is and what it does. What it does, Cosmos aims to ensure all blockchains can communicate with each other. Atom is its governance token, and it helps to keep the network secure. Management team, there are a number of teams involved in developing Cosmos. The biggest one at the Interchain Foundation, an NGO that funds open source blockchain projects, and a Tendermint team. Former CEO and co-author of the project's white paper, Jae Kwon, stepped away from the project in early 2020 with a promise to stay involved. The other co-author, Ethan Buchanan, is still president of the Interchain Foundation Council. Both have backgrounds in crypto and software development. Backers and investors, Cosmos has attracted investment from several major names in crypto, including Paradigm, Bain Capital, and One Confirmation. So the date launched, the Cosmos white paper was actually published in 2016. It has a market cap of almost 7.5 billion. And that's pretty recent too. That's just as of September 15th. So really that probably hasn't changed much in the past couple of days. And the availability, of course, is pretty much everywhere. So let's get down to the main question that everybody keeps asking. Should I buy? Should I buy this coin? This is the most common question I see. We get in our TikTok comments, our Instagram comments, our YouTube comments, everywhere, right? Everyone wants to know. Atom has seen significant gains since the start of this year. At the time of writing this, its price is up 426% since January 1st. According to CoinMarketCap data, it hit a new all-time high of $38.78 on September 13th. There are over 250 apps and services already running on the Cosmos network, With over 112 billion digital assets under management, well-known projects built using Cosmos include Binance Chain or BNB, Terra Luna, and of course Crypto.com. One thing that's driven Cosmos' price increase is the launch of its first decentralized finance interface or DeFi interface. Other factors are its integration. Wow, man, killing it today with the words. With Ethereum, which is currently hosting the lion's share of DeFi applications, and its interoperability with Bitcoin or BTC. With an experienced management team, clear roadmap, and solution to an important cryptocurrency problem, Cosmos has strong fundamentals. In terms of competition, the other big interoperable, wow, I'm killing it with these words today, guys. I am so sorry. Cryptos to watch are Polkadot or DOT and Avalanche. Both have performed well this year. The challenge is that with that, it's often risky to buy immediately after a coin hits an all-time high. Many speculative investors may have just pushed the price up in the hopes of short-term gains. Main threats, this is just a little bit about main threats. Again, I don't want to read this whole article. I feel like it's kind of a waste of time. I don't want to obviously break down every single piece of this article and tell you guys exactly, just everything. I don't want to read the whole thing. Let's just read the bottom line though, and then we'll hop into some technical analysis here and I'll give you guys some of my thoughts. Cosmos has a lot of long-term potential and seems well positioned to stand the test of time. However, it is still a volatile and high-risk industry, so don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Research Atom, its competitors in the cryptocurrency industry to ensure you understand the risks involved when you buy. Okay, so that was kind of a dumb bottom line in my opinion to kind of just re-summarize basically what everybody says, right? Don't be risky, be careful. Let's go into some technical analysis here. We'll talk about my thoughts about Atom in general. So with this coin, I really think that, again, Atom still has, like they said, a lot of fundamental utility. I think that they're still doing very well as far as continuing to push forward the project into new heights, into new areas of the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. Again, I think that this coin, I mean, it has price targets somewhere around the $50 to $60 to even $70 range just by the end of 2021. That's in, December or even early January of 2022, but I can't even imagine what this coin could do in 2022. Now, that being said, I really want to keep in mind the fact that a lot of people are getting a little bit worried that this bull run might be coming to an end. Not soon, but maybe in the next year or so, like 2022, it may come to an end. It may slow down with growth as far as that goes. And that's important because if you're investing in these coins long-term, which I pretty much any of these coins that I'm looking at, I'm investing long-term. I'm not trying to, trade these or anything like that. I really think that, again, I don't know how many I'm gonna be buying. I'm not buying Cosmos at these levels, actually. That's something I should say, is that I'm not buying Cosmos now after it's run up, a couple 30 to 40 to 50% in gain just because it's too high for my personal risk tolerance. I think that more than likely after these types of runs, we're going to see a little bit of a pullback. We can look back to times where this has happened before. We had a huge run, pullback, huge run, pullback. Again, huge run, what's gonna happen next, right? So that's just something to keep in mind. That's something that I like to do too, just to make sure that I manage my risk rather, and make sure I'm not getting into a position that I can't afford to lose, right? I'm not putting more money than I can afford to use. And of course, I'm not buying at these high prices. The RSI is pretty oversold here. We can even go to a wider time frame here, like the 1 year. Just good for seeing things like this. I can see here a large run up and then a significant pullback. Again, I like buying on the dips and I'm not buying right now. Now, that being said, I'm not totally against buying at all. More than likely, I'm going to buy when it dips down back to around the 30 level, maybe even lower than the 30 level. I wouldn't be surprised if new resistance or new support rather forms around the 30 to 25 level and it consolidates a little bit until it pushes higher, guys. I'm gonna be watching this very closely. We're always gonna be putting out new news and information and updates on this coin, guys. So make sure you keep it locked here and subscribe. But other than that, guys, that is pretty much it for Cosmos. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. If you guys wanna pick up a free stock with Public, check out our link down in the description below. Public is a great social investing network where we post all the time what we're buying, what we're selling, and of course, talking about everything going on in the stock market in general. So if you guys think that sounds interesting, check out the link down in the description below. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.